How to reactivate permanently deactivated Uber account. In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate permanently deactivated Uber account. If your Uber account has been permanently deactivated, reactivation can be tricky but not always impossible. So on the reactivation request section, you'll find this partners.uber.com button. So in here, you need to go ahead and sign into your Uber account, which you have actually deactivated in the past. So if it's been less than 30 days, you can sign in to your account in here using your old credentials. And this works only if you requested deletion and change your mind within 30 days. So if it's been more than 30 days, your account and all associated data are permanently deleted. You'll need to create a new account with a different email or phone number if your old info is blocked. If you are banned or suspended, Uber may deactivate accounts for reasons like violating community guidelines, fraudulent activity, low ratings, or high cancellation rates. And in this case, you need to check your email for any message from Uber explaining the reason. You can appeal the decision by contacting Uber support through the app or website, and be honest and provide any documents or context that might help your case. So that is how you can basically reactivate permanently deactivated Uber account. Take note that you can only reactivate permanently deactivated accounts if it's been less than 30 days since it was deactivated.